Hello, I decided to give a quick review of unboxing Goldring 1006, just in case if you wonder how it looks like. So it just arrived today. It's my first serious upgrade for my vintage Pioneer turntable with the initial Goldring E1 cartridge. So I hope that there will be big improvements. So this is how it looks like. So this is the box. Box a little bit damaged here. So I hope that it doesn't affect the performance. So let's see what we have inside. So inside the box we have this plastic container and the user guide. Nothing else in the box itself. So this is our user guide and the box, so the plastic container. The container, I should say, looks kind of cheap and also a bit kind of damaged. There are some scratches here. If we look at the bottom of it, it also something here like it was used before, but it doesn't look that we have any kind of fingerprints other than mine. So I don't know, probably it just look like feels cheap one. Okay, and then we open it and here it is. So this is our cartridge in the box. We also have like a foam here inside. So let's see what it is here. Okay, so we have protector, and then I think you need to apply a little bit force to these red clamps, and then when you do it, your cartridge will get loose. Actually, yeah, you need to be careful because it's so easy also to lose the protector at that moment. Okay, let me put it back. Sorry, here it is. The cartridge looks like brand new. So despite the quality of the box and the external paper box as well. What else do we have here? So you see there is a platform, and then you need to remove this platform. So to use something that you have, like a screwdriver, takes some efforts. So this was the red holder, and then inside you just have a couple screws and screwdrivers. So that's it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is our Goldring 106. I hope that it will be good replacement. And then the next step for me will be setting it up and tuning the tone arm and the cartridge there. Yep, hope guys you find it interesting. Thank you for watching it.